A bad year for Kraft Heinz, just got a little bit worse. Third quarter sales came in lower than expected, and shares of Kraft Heinz falling on Friday, Ron, and hitting a new 52-week low.
They have really been struggling with the trend towards fresher, healthier, more natural foods. It's showing up in the numbers. They did manage to kind of eke out an overall revenue increase of 1.6%, but they have higher costs, marketing, hiring, new product costs just really are weighing on that income statement. Their adjusted EBITDA was down 16% in the U.S., which is obviously very important to them. Adjusted earnings fell 6%. They are guiding us to expect some relief from some of these cost pressures. I think we have to wait to see how that plays out because you have kind of top line weakness. You've got pressure on margins, never leads to goodness on the bottom line. So we'll have to take this quarter by quarter, but I don't see this abating anytime soon.
Yeah, and Jason, when you look at what the stock is doing, I don't personally feel any pressure to jump in here.
I know, and I don't think I'd ever feel really any pressure to jump in there. But correct me if I'm wrong. Was it Berkshire that made a big investment in Kraft Heinz?
You are correct.
Yeah, see, they're probably sitting there thinking right now, man, I should have listened to those guys at Motley Fool Money, invested in McCormick instead, because McCormick and French's and Frank's Red Hot, those things are just on fire, baby.
Oh, my God.
Whoa. Wow. Yeah, I think the problem with Kraft and others is just that the importance that consumers used to place on those brands and the marketing budgets that companies like Kraft could put behind those brands, it's no longer that important anymore in the what's called the FMCG, fast-moving consumer goods category that's kind of got in vogue right now. And that's just because I think consumers, it's more about efficiency and delivery and things like that. And generic brands and others seem to fit that just fine. They're not really distinguishing between brands anymore.
Right. The Kraft Heinz merger, I think, made sense. They were able to squeeze out about $1.8 billion of costs there. So I think that made sense. But now where do you go from here? You got to get on the right trends or you're going to continue to suffer.
What was that thing I just saw the other day? Like millennials are apparently killing American cheese. Did anybody else see that?
No, I don't even know what that means.
But it so makes sense.
Google it. I swear I saw it.